Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine, and today I have with me the Galaxy Tab S6. And this thing looks fantastic. I literally just took it out the box and I just want to give you guys my initial impressions. Now, earlier this year, I did a full review on the Galaxy Tab S5e, and it's a fantastic tablet, but I wouldn't recommend it for every single person. And if you want to see who I would recommend it for in that review, then you can click on the card right up here, and it'll also be linked down below in the description. Anyway, the Galaxy Tab S6 is, I think, their flagship phone, and you can tell because it starts out at $649, where the Tab S5e started out at $399. Now, this tablet is built very well. It's got great specs, but initially, right off the bat, you're just going to notice how lightweight this is and how thin the design is. You have the volume rocker on the right hand side, and then you have the power button right on top of that. And then on the bottom, you have the USB-C charging port, 2 speaker ports on the bottom, and 2 speaker ports on the top. And then it also comes with the actual S Pen. And you just stick it on the back, and that's how it charges. And it's got a little thing that pops up just like the iPads and the Apple Pencil. So you can charge your S Pen like that on the back. And the other thing I noticed is just how light it is. And it's really comfortable and easy to hold. It's also big, so it's not like the tiny S Pen that they have in the Galaxy Note lineup. It's a little bit bigger, so it feels more like a regular pen or a pencil, so it's probably going to be a lot easier to write with. I know it comes with different tips, so I can't wait to try out the different tips and to see which one that I like, and just to see how I enjoy taking notes on this tablet. Now, if there's something that you guys want me to really pay attention to about this tablet while I do my full review, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll focus on that, because I'm gonna have my full review in the next couple of weeks when I get some really good time to use this tablet. Something that's really cool that I noticed right away is that you could actually take the S Pen and then stick it to the side just like that, and that's another way to put your S Pen to the actual tablet. Because sometimes if it's stuck to the back and you have it on the table, I noticed that it's lifted off the table. So that to me, right off the bat, there's a little bit of pros and cons. So pro, it lifts up the tablet a little bit, so if you're actually typing on that keyboard, then it feels a little bit better. But then the con, on the other hand, is that because it lifts the tablet up, it gives it a little weird viewing angle if you're just trying to put it right down on the tablet and look at some stuff while you use your fingers. Now, besides that, there's 2 cameras on the back, and also the S Pen has all the gestures and the movements that the Galaxy Note and the Note Pen has, so I want to look more into that. And then I also want to check out the cameras on this tablet. Now, normally I wouldn't recommend for you guys to be taking pictures of people with the tablet like this in public, but I still want to take a look at those cameras and see how well they are, or how well they do in performing in just taking random daytime pictures and also nighttime pictures. Besides that, I'm really excited about this. Now, there is a keyboard that comes with this, or that you can purchase separately for about $150 or $170. I tried to go on Samsung's website to purchase it, but it was like back ordered until October. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out Amazon and also like Best Buy to see if I can get my hands on one, because I really do want to see how that feels typing on that keyboard. And it also has a trackpad built into it from the videos that I've seen of other people with the keyboard case for the Galaxy Tab S6. So that's really awesome, because right now I've been using the iPad Pro 11-inch with the Bridge keyboard case, and that thing is fantastic, but it doesn't have a trackpad. So a lot of times I find myself reaching for the spot the trackpad would be on, trying to move a cursor or a mouse on the iPad, and that's just really frustrating, having to reach over it and just touch something. I know it sounds like a very minor thing, but honestly, when you're using it every single day and you're using it a lot throughout the day, it can get annoying. So I'm excited for that keyboard. So I'm definitely going to be looking to try to pick one of those up. Anyway, that's my initial impressions of the Galaxy Tab S6. So far, like I said, I only had a few minutes to play with it and feel how and see how it feels in the hands. It feels great in the hands. It's very lightweight. It's got a low profile. The S Pen feels fantastic in the hands. I'm going to be testing it out. Anyway, like I said, if there's something you guys want me to pay attention to, let me know down below in the description. Other than that, if you're new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.